Dora the Explorer! The windy day. It's such a windy day. I think I hear tree limbs knocking on the window. Oh, maybe it is a knock at the door. No one is here. But look, someone wrote me a note. It is from Boots. The note said to meet Boots at Play Park. I need to wrap up before I go. Avella knit me this scarf to knot around my neck. It's Isa's. Boots wrote her a note too. But something is wrong. Isa only has one mitten. Oh no! The wind blew Isa's other mitten up on a tree limb. Let's call Tico to help get it down. He's really good at climbing trees. Hooray! Tico got Isa's mitten. And Boots wrote him a note too. Let's all go to Play Park together. We made it to Play Park. There is Boots, and look what he has. 4 kites. What a perfect day to fly kites. Hooray!